Overdrive. Go ahead and hop on over to the App Store or find the Overdrive app on your Chromebook. Once you are in the App Store, you're going to download Overdrive or Libby. They are essentially the same thing, but I'm going to discuss Overdrive. Here's what Libby looks like, though, if you want to download it. Go ahead and download Overdrive. Once you've downloaded Overdrive, you're going to click Sign In, and then you are going to sign in using your library card. As Kansas City Public School District students, you all have a Kansas City Public library card. So whenever it asks you for the name of the library, you're just going to type in Kansas City Public Library. Once you hit go, it doesn't matter which Kansas City Public Library location you choose, just choose one. Now once you've selected the Kansas City Public Library branch, it'll ask you to type in your card number and PIN. As a Kansas City Public School District student, your card number format is KCPS00 and then your 7-digit student ID. For example, it would be KCPS0012345667. Now, if you have a 6-digit student ID, your library card number is KCPS000 and then 123456. Your library card number is 13 characters total, including the KCPS00. Once you have entered your library card number, you are going to enter your PIN. Your PIN's super easy. It's your 8-digit birthday. 2 digits for the month, 2 digits for the day, and 4 digits for the year. Once you have your library card and PIN, go ahead and sign in. Once logged in, you're going to click on Add a Library to set up a library. We're going to search Kansas City Public Library. Once you hit search, several public library locations will be popping up for you. Just select the top one, Kansas City Public Library. Once you have set the Kansas City Public Library, meaning you have to click on it again, it will pop you into the Kansas City Public Library's website. Now that we are logged into the Kansas City Public Library ebook and audiobook portion of their website, we can find books. So we are going to click on the books in the top right. There's 3 books stacked, and then we are going to log into our account. So during the setup of the app, you're going to have to log in with your library card number twice, log in with your PIN twice, and add the public library location twice. That's just for the setup of the app. You won't have to do that again. Again, your card number, KCPS00, then your 7-digit student ID, and your PIN is your 8-digit birthday. Let's go ahead and sign in and find some books. Once you log in, you'll be able to see your bookshelf, which includes your loans. There are 2 options, read now with Kindle or download EPUB. Always download the EPUB version so you can read it in the app. Now what I just clicked on in the top right corner were the 3 books. That's like your little home page where you can always find your account. You can find your account, your holds, your wish list, recommendations, and adjust your settings. In your settings, you can always choose if you want to read a book or have a book checked out for 21 days. Same for your audiobooks, ebooks, video, as you guys can see on the screen. The next button we are going to explore is actually right next to the books. It's the 3 horizontal lines. You can see My Account, Subjects, Collections. We're going to go ahead and click on Collections and do some exploring. Let's go ahead and click on Available Now. You will notice that Available Now is under ebooks. We also have audiobook options. Once you click on Available Now, you will see a ton of ebook titles that you can check out to read now. Again, this is for ebooks. We did not select audiobooks, but that is still an option. Let's go ahead and filter it by the audience, and we're going to click on Young Adult. So we are selecting Young Adult because that's what most high school libraries bookshelves contain. Most of them contain young adult novels. However, if you want to venture out into juvenile or even younger kids books, if you want to read to your younger siblings, that's always an option. So this is an example of all the titles that are available now that are most popular. If you click on a cover, so I clicked on the girl with the red balloon, it will give you the option of borrow, read sample, and then also it gives you the synopsis or summary of the book. Now, if you click on read a sample, which this is what it would look like, it's actually going to populate into a tab outside of the app, as you can see. So if you decide that you then want to borrow it, you just need to return to the app, click borrow, decide on how long you would like to borrow that title for, and then click borrow again. Again, please download EPUB ebook. Once you have clicked on download EPUB ebook, it will add the title to your library. Once it's loaded, it'll give you the option to go to loans. That's just where you'll see what books you have checked out, but I recommend to click on the left 3 horizontal lines and click on the button that says bookshelf. If you click on bookshelf, it will take you to the title, and it'll actually show you all titles you have checked out, and then once you click on the title, you will have access to read or listen to that book offline. So once it shows up in that section of the app under bookshelf, you're good to go. Based on the previous preferences that you selected in your account, you will have access to the book for that long. So generally it's going to be 21 days. If you decide that you finish that book and you would like to return it, you just hold down on the title, hit return, and return it early. So that's it for Overdrive ebooks and audiobooks. Don't forget, if you decide to download the app Libby, it's the same thing. Thanks for watching.